Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent government vacancies. Okay, so here the opportunities are there to the any post graduation as well as the any graduation. And even though if you are a fresher or experienced, then no problem guys, there are a huge number of vacancies out there and you can apply from any state. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the vacancy job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. So with only post graduation, you can get as a level 6 7th CPC, and with any graduation, you can get the level 4 as per the 7th CPC. And after watching this video, if your job requirement is not there, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Vallabhbhai Patel Chess Institute from University of Delhi. So here the few non-teaching vacancies are there on the regular basis, that means the permanent vacancies. So opening date is 23rd October 2021 and the closing date is 22nd November 2021. So to check the details here, click on this view advertisement and then you will be directed to this PDF guys. Here the total 63 pages are there. I will tell you the main points, and then for the remaining points I will put this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check out guys. Okay, and here the details of the vacancies are mentioned here, as well as the age limitations and what is the level of scale of pay is also everything mentioned. And assistant registrar, section officer, senior assistant, pharmacist, assistant, stenographer, junior assistant, driver. And coming to the technical category, junior engineer electrical, senior technical assistant, laboratory assistant and the laboratory attendant. And the nursing officer as well as the library attendant also required. And you may check down the pay scales and the age limitation as per the caste category. The number of vacancies are also divided here. Fine. And coming to the eligibility conditions of this one. Okay, so here the instructions are there. And if you go to the 6th or 7th page, then you will get the eligibility conditions regarding the each and every position. So first one, the name of the post, assistant registrar, pay level 10 and 35 years, the direct recruitment, and essential qualification, good academic record with a master's degree with at least 55% of marks. Okay, and desirable is mentioned here, at least 3 years of experience. That means if you are having only the post graduation, any post graduation, then you can apply for this assistant registrar, then you are going to get the pay level 10 guys. Okay, and coming to the next one, all the direct recruits should possess the working knowledge of the computers, right? And coming to the next one, section officer, pay level 7, age limit is 35 years, graduation from any recognized university, that is the essential qualification. Coming to the senior assistant, pay level 6, age limitation is 30 years, any graduation or else any post graduation with minimum working knowledge of the computers, right? And coming to the pharmacist, pay level 5 and the age limitation is 30 years, and essential qualification, bachelor's degree in pharmacy or else a 10+2 and 2 years diploma in pharmacy, should be registered with State Pharmacy Council. Okay, next one is assistant, pay level 4, 30 years, a graduate from any recognized any graduation is good knowledge of computers. Coming to the stenographer, pay level 4, 27 years and essential qualification 10+2, shorthand speed of 80 words per minute or else 60 words per minute and typing speed of 30 words per minute in Hindi. Okay, and coming to the next one, junior assistant, pay level 2, 27 years, 10+2, typing speed must be there. Coming to the driver, pay level 2, 35 years, so 10+2 or else any graduation. possession of a valid driving license and experience of driving a motor vehicle of at least 3 years. Next one, junior electrical, pay level 6, 30 years, and essential qualifications. Diploma or degree in the electrical engineering of a recognized university and at least 2 years of a working experience. And next one, senior technical assistant, 30 years, PG degree or BE or BTech in the relevant subject. Okay, so it is enough. And coming to the technical assistant, pay level 5, 30 years, bachelor's degree, have studied relevant subject with 2 years of experience, or else PG, or else a 3-year diploma in the relevant subject from a government recognized institute. Coming to the laboratory assistant, pay level 4, 30 years, should have the 10+2, or else a graduate with relevant subject. And coming to the laboratory attendant, pay level 1, so 30 years, 10th pass. Okay. So coming to the next one, nursing officer, pay level 7 up to 35 years, so BSc in nursing, or regular course in BSc, or post-basic BSc nursing, registered as a nurse, diploma in general nursing, registered as a nurse, 1 year experience in minimum 50-bedded hospital. Next, library attendant, pay level 1, 30 years, so 10th passed. Certificate in library science or else information science from a recognized institute. Fine. So these are all the vacancies, guys, and from University of Delhi we got this notification. And what is the scheme of examination, each and everything you may check down. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, guys. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here our announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.